Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create health channel like this channel that you're seeing here. This channel works with shorts and it also works with long form videos. This channel is monetized and you can apply it on YouTube, Facebook, or any other channel. So I'll be showing you how to create videos like this on health niche using this channel as a prototype. I'll be giving you the full prompt from the title to the scripting to the visuals, the video generation, and down to the SEO and even the thumbnail. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is you need to open ChatGPT. So once you open your ChatGPT, you log in, you copy your title generation prompt to generate titles for your video. So I'll come to ChatGPT and I'll paste my title generation prompt. Here I will ask it to generate just 5 titles. You can ask for any number of titles you want. 5 titles. I'll click enter. So I have 5 titles. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to generate our script using one of the titles. You come back to your prompt and you copy your script. So this is your script prompt here. You copy it. You come back to ChatGPT. You paste your script, and here where you have your topic, you're going to enter the title you want. I'm going to select one of the titles here. It says what happens when you take cold shower for 7 days. I will paste it here. I'll click enter. So once you have read it, you type in approve. So this is your script. With this script, you will generate your voiceover. So you copy your script into your notepad. If you're using your phone, you copy it into your notepad. If you're using your computer, you copy it into your notepad. It's important to understand that this works with both your computer and your phone, despite the device you are using. Alright, you can format your script, remove the timeline bits. Just format your script properly. You can as well read through it, remove some words or change anything you don't like in the script. So after reading through your script and formatting it as you want, you copy it, then you head over to any text-to-speech tool of your choice. I recommend Minimax. The link is in the description. Then you come to text-to-speech, you paste your script, you select a voice that matches your script, a voice that you like, whether a female voice or a male voice. You select it. Then after you have selected, you now click on generate and your script will be turned into voiceover. So the next thing we're going to generate is our visuals, that is the video visuals for this script. You head over to your prompt and you copy your video visuals prompt. So this is the video visual prompt. You copy it and you come back to ChatGPT. You paste the prompt here. Then you enter the number of scenes that you want. So depending on the length of your audio, you have to generate scenes that will match the length of your audio. So if your audio is less than 1 minute, you'll be needing about 8 to 12 scenes. So if your audio is above 1 minute, all you need to do is you calculate the number of scenes you will need. Each scene is about 8 seconds. You can ask ChatGPT that your audio length is 1 minute 45 seconds. How many scenes do I need for this audio clip if one scene is 8 seconds? So ChatGPT will give you the number of scenes that you want, or you can as well just put any number. Here I'm going to enter 8 seconds here. Then you come down, aspect ratio, you're going to enter 9:16. We are working with shots. So here where you see X, you enter it as 8, 9:16 aspect ratio. Then you scroll up and you copy your script. This is your script. You come back to your prompt, you paste it here, then you click generate. Remember, this works with your mobile phone or your computer. So now you have 8 scenes here. I asked for 8 scenes. So these are the scenes. Then all you need to do, you're going to copy each of the scenes one by one. Then you head over to a text to video generator tool, and one of the tools we are going to use is Flow from Google Labs. So you go to Google Labs, you just go to labs.google/fx/flow. The link will be somewhere in the description. So the first thing you need to do, you open the Flow, click on new project. Here under video, you're going to see images. You switch to video, then you select the aspect ratio 9:16. Then you want one output so that you can maximize your credit. You paste your prompt here. So this is the first prompt. Once you paste it, you can see I've already generated it. The next thing, you are going to copy the second scene one after the other, one by one. you're going to copy it. You come back here, you paste the second scene and you click generate. So it's going to generate. This is what you are going to do for all the scenes that you generated for your video. So after generating all your scenes here, you download them one after the other. So you click on download, you download into your mobile phone or your computer. You download them, then you download your audio as well. I've already downloaded my audio from your text-to-speech website. I have my audio here. Then the next thing you're going to do, you're going to open CapCut on your PC or on your phone. So this is CapCut here. So once you open your CapCut, you click on new project, then you import your visuals and your audio. Then you bring it into your timeline. It's important to understand that this works with your mobile phone and your computer. So at this point, you align your visuals properly, one after the other. For this video, I'm just going to shorten it. This is for tutorial purposes. So after you align it to the end, then you generate your caption. You come over to text and you go to auto caption. You generate your caption. So after generating your caption, you add any other effect, animation, or transition that you want. Just play around your video the way you want it. Then let's just play this and see what it looks like. So at this point, if you're using your computer, you rename your file, then you export it. If you're using your mobile phone, all you need to do is to export it. Then after exporting it, you can go back and rename it with the title of your video. If you need description, hashtag, or tags for your SEO, especially for YouTube, all you need to do is you paste this prompt. Give me a 20-word description, 5 hashtags, and 10 tags for SEO for the title and script above. So it's going to give you tags, hashtags, and description for your SEO. Then you can just copy it and add it to your video while uploading on YouTube. And you can use the hashtag and description for every other channel like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. So you can as well use this prompt here, the SEO prompt, to get your SEO if you don't want to use the previous one I stated. If you want to generate a thumbnail in case you are doing long form video, just copy this, you head over to ChatGPT and you paste this here. Then you get the title of your video, type at the beginning of your prompt using this title, design a YouTube thumbnail. Then you enter the prompt. It's going to write a prompt for your thumbnail here. It gave you a thumbnail prompt for long form video 16:9 and for short form video. Okay, so if you want more prompts, you can ask it to give you more. You can say give me 5 more prompts or 3 more prompts. So you come back to your flow. One of the reasons I recommend flow is that you can generate both video and image in the same place. So you come back to your flow, click here, select image, and then select 9:16. You select Nano Banana Pro and you paste your prompt. You change the number to 2 so that it can give us 2 outputs. Then you enter. You come back again. Let's try the 9:16 on. You come back. So you paste it here. Here you now select 9:16. You change the aspect ratio to 9:16 and you generate. So it's going to generate. If you like the output, you download it and use it as your thumbnail. If you don't like it, you ask ChatGPT to generate more thumbnails for you until you get the one that you like. Alright, so you can see we have 2 different thumbnails here, and this is beautiful. This is for short and this is for long form video. So whichever one you like, I think I like this one. I will now download it, and while uploading on YouTube, I will use it as my thumbnail. This is how you can create videos in a similar pattern for a health channel like this. All you need to do is to be consistent and post regularly. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Do well to like this channel, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, and drop a comment.